Hi everyone, it's Denise here, your car gear guru. Ever find yourself with a dead car remote battery? No worries, today I'll show you a little secret that can get you back in your car in no time. Let's dive in. We have a few car keys here to demonstrate how it works. With the BMW remote, you simply press here on this button and simply pops the hidden key out. And for the Mercedes key, just slide and voila, your backup plan is ready. And for the Toyota key, push, release, and the key is in your hand. Now let's put the Toyota key to the test. Insert here, turn, and there you go. Access granted. It's that simple. Remember, folks, this little metal key is your best friend in a battery emergency. Stay prepared and drive safe. Follow, share, and like to our channel for more car hacks. Thanks for watching. Bye.